morning. Start करिए. मैं कॉल कर दिया. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Sit all of you. So last class we have discussed that about the degree, about the how we will use the protractor. Yes or no?
Yes.
So today we will go for a new chapter or sorry new topic. Okay. And that topic name is angle and the types of angle. Okay. So who can say what are the types of angle? First tell me what is angle. Who can say? Yes, Abhinit.
When the two rays are joined together, it is called angle.
Very good. So angle means sit. So angle means when two rays connect with each other or join with each other in a single point, that known as angle. Okay. So if will be think ray means one side are will be there. Yes or no? So if will be meet at one point, I will draw the two rays. So it is the first ray, it is the second ray, and they meet at one point. They meet at one point. Okay. Suppose I will give the name of what is O. Okay. So they form the angle. Okay. So you will be write the name of angle, that is AOB. Okay. So what are the names of two rays? The two rays are, first one is the OA, another is the OB. Okay. So we can say that when OA and OB they join at one place, they form the angle. Okay. So writing definition wise, so when two rays join in a single point is called angle. Okay, write it. When two rays join in a single point, that known as angle. Okay. So it is the, if you will think about this angle name will be the AOB angle. Which angle? AOB angle. Why we have written the AOB, or we cannot say that ABO? Now because OA ray and OB ray both are joined or connect in a single point, that is the here is the O point. So O is the middle point or connect point of the two rays. Okay, so that we are writing that AOB, otherwise we can write BOA. Okay, we can write AOB or BOA. Okay, write it fast in your copy. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So now we will make some angles. Okay, how we will make? See. Suppose here one ray is there. Okay, again I cut it by another ray. Okay, so it is the one point. So I have given the name A, B, C, D. Okay, so who can say what are the name of the rays?
A, B, C, D.
Abhinit? A, B, C, D, that means the 4 points. Okay, but what are the name of the rays? See, here is the first ray, so we can write that the name of ray is AB. Okay, yes or no? Next is the CD. Okay, so we can write the CD. Okay, so when ray AB and CD they connect at one point, we are giving the name that is O. So how many angles will be formed, or what angles will be formed? Okay, see, it is the first angle. We can say that is the first angle. This point, the first angle I have written here 1. Okay, it is the second angle. I have written the 2. Okay, here is the third angle. Here is the 3, and here is the fourth angle. We have written the 4 angle. Okay, so we can say that when two rays connect at each other in the middle point, that form the 4 angles. Okay, so now one by one tell me what are the name of these four angles? You can say what are the four angles name?
Sir, A,
Yes.
B, C, and D.
See here and say me. Rudra.
AOB,
Very good. One is AOB. Which angle? A. Sorry, AOB will not be an angle. Okay, because it an A. AOD will be an angle. AOD. Another.
Sir, COA.
Very good. COA.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, BOD,
DO.
BOD,
BOD. Very good. BOD angle. Okay.
Sir,
Subhasri.
COD,
COD. COD no. It is one straight line na. Okay. So they will make the angle. What which angle I will tell you last. BOD. BOD we have already written.
COB,
COB. COB or we can write that BOC. See. BOC. It means all of you say. So it means AOD, otherwise can be written DOA. Okay. Next is the BOD. It is otherwise can be written DOB. Okay. And a COA, it can be written AOC. And a COB, it can be written as BOC. Okay. So but when we are telling that sir, COD, and see, AOB, COD and AOB, they are on the one ray. So can they make the angles? Can they make the angles? Yes, they can make the angles. Which angle they will form? They will form the straight angles. Straight angles, which we will read next part. Which angle? A straight angle. And what is the measurement of straight angle? 180 degree. Very good. Okay. So if you will think about it is a straight line, then AOB will be 180 degree and COD will be also 180 degree. Okay. So now we will discuss about the types of angle. Okay. So now we will discuss types of angle. Okay. So as for your book, it has given that there are four angles are there. How many angles? Four angles. So what are the name of that angles? Now, the name of the angles are first angle. Very good. That is the acute angle. Which angle? Acute angle. Next, anyone? Obtuse angle. Very good. Obtuse angle. Yes. Right angle. Very good. Very good. Yes. Right angle and straight angle. Okay.
Then we will write this.
Yeah. Okay. So there are four angles are there. Okay. How many angles? Acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle and straight angle. So these are the four angles. Okay. So now we will discuss about these four angles. In which way or which degree we can say the acute angles, or what are the measurement of angle we can say that obtuse angle, right angle and straight angle. Okay. And remember, the acute angle means the angle which are more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Okay, more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. That known as the acute angle. Okay. So in shortly we can write here. Shortly we can write here more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Okay, that known as the acute angle. Understood? So next come about the obtuse angle. What do you mean by obtuse angle? Now obtuse angle means that angle more than 90, less than 180. Okay, the angle more than 90 degree than 180 degree. Okay, that known as the obtuse angle. Which angle?
Obtuse angle.
Then third angle is right angle. Right angle means the angle which measure perfect 90 degree.
Exact 90 degree.
Okay, or perfect or exact 90 degree. Okay, exact 90 degree. Okay, so that known as the right angle. Then the last angle of your book that it is given, that is the straight angle. Straight angle means the angle which measure 180 degree. Okay, measure 180 degree. Okay, so these are the four angles: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, and the straight angle. Acute angle means the angle more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree, that known as the acute angle. Obtuse angle means more than 90, less than 180, that known as the obtuse angle. Then the right angle means exact or perfect 90 degree, that known as the which angle? Right angle. And last one is the straight angle. Straight angle means that measure about the 180 degree. It means we can say that is the perfect straight line. Okay, that is the straight line, that known as the straight angle. Okay, so now shortly we will know how we can say or how we can measure the angles without measuring them. It means how we can say that angle, what type of angle, without measuring. Okay, see. So, if you will think, it is one of your protractor is like this. Yes or no? This is your protractor, and here is the center point. Here one center point is there. Yes or no? And here is starting from 0 degree. With how many degree? 0 degree. And the middle point is 90 degree. Yes or no? And it is ending in 180 degree. Ending in 180 degree. Okay. So if you will think about 0 degree, 90 degree and 180 degree, these are all about, and between 0 you will be think about, here is the 30. Okay. Here is the 60. Here will be 120. Here will be the 150. Okay. So these are all about your protractor. Yes or no? So it will be measure the angle. How we can say, we will not measure the angle, but we can say that is the acute angle or obtuse angle or a straight angle or a right angle. Yes or no? So see, it will be draw one line from here, one line from here. Then which angle we will say that? Which angle it will be? 90 degree means? It is the 90 degree means which angle?
90 degree means right angle.
Right angle. Okay. So we can say that it is a right angle. It will be the line, both will be in a straight. Okay. So this line and this line, when they make the angle, that known as the right angle. And यहाँ इधर से जो भी रह गया, okay, the angles which are less than 90, okay, that all are known as acute angle. Acute angle. Okay, and those are crossing the line of 90, they will be said that which angle? Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay, so shortly we can, if we see a picture, easily we can recognize that is the acute angle or obtuse angle or a right angle or straight angle. Or if you will think about this line 180 degree, it means it is a straight angle. Yes or no? It is a straight angle. So now we will make some pictures and you will tell that which type of angle it can be. Okay, so it's completed.
No sir.
Okay, complete it fast.
No sir.
Complete Completed?
No, sir.
Okay, come. Completed. Complete. Okay.
Sir, completed.
Okay, very good. So now let's draw some pictures. Drawing. What type of figure it is? What type of angle it is? Acute, obtuse, or right angle?
Acute.
Acute angle. Very good. So it is a acute angle. Okay. So if I will draw this type of angle, which angle it is? 90 means
90.
right angle. Okay. If I will draw that type of angle means
Obtuse.
obtuse. If I will make one straight line only, then what type of angle it will be?
Straight
Angle. Okay.
Sir, can I see?
Yes.
Sir, we will draw this.
Only see it. Okay. The exercise is present in the book. Okay. So it's a straight angle. So by watching this picture, we can easily recognize that what type of angle it is. Okay. Can I erase it?
No, sir.
Okay, draw it.
The side, please.
So whatever we have completed now, that homework for you, that is the 6B is for your homework. Okay. SW, that is 6B exercise. Okay. So do it and show me tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.